In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a thanks for signing up page in ActiveCampaign. Creating a thank you page is a great way to show appreciation to your new subscribers and gives you the opportunity to strengthen your brand right from the first interaction. Let's dive right into the process. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the left panel in your ActiveCampaign dashboard, where you'll find an option labeled Website. Click on that, and a new menu will pop up. From this menu, you'll want to select Pages. This will bring you into the section where all your landing pages and other site-related options are housed. Once you're in the Pages section, look for a button that says Create a new page or Add a new page. Both these options will take you to the next step, so you can proceed with either one that appears on your screen. It's here where you'll decide how you'd like to build your thank you page. You can either start from scratch if you want complete creative freedom, or you can opt to use one of the pre-made templates that ActiveCampaign offers. For this demonstration, let's select a template. This is especially helpful if you're not feeling particularly creative, or if you just want a professional-looking page without much hassle. Templates are great time savers and can provide a sleek, polished look with just a bit of tweaking. Once you've chosen your template, you'll be directed to its page editor. This is where the fun begins. The page editor is your canvas to personalize the template to fit your brand's style and voice. Feel free to change text, colors, and images to align with your brand identity. Consistency in style and voice across your pages is crucial for building brand recognition and customer loyalty. If a part of the template doesn't quite fit your vision, don't hesitate to make the necessary changes. Ensure that the text you add here speaks directly to your new subscribers, adding a personal touch that lets them know they are valued. After making all your personalized adjustments to the page, you're almost at the finish line. A quick tip: before publishing, take a step back and review the page. Make sure all the information is accurate, then the design aligns with your brand, and everything looks just as you'd imagined. Once you're happy with it, you have successfully created a thanks for signing up page in ActiveCampaign. And that's all there is to it. You now have a thank you page that not only acknowledges your new subscribers, but also helps in establishing a positive first impression of your brand. Thank you for watching, and happy creating.